While everybody's mass hypnosis drooling over the Clancy situation, I saw this headline today and I was like, I'm sorry, what? Has anybody seen this? Or like, where's my popcorn? Yeah, just in case you didn't catch that, Bill's heart is deteriorating due to the stress and the pressures from leaked documentation coming out in regards to the financier named Jeffrey Epstein. Is this how the dominoes start? Fuck the Epstein list. Who's on the cue board? Sir? Yeah, it's probably nothing. But no, it was Patrick. No, it was her.